IRI has really launched my interest in science and research. It was just basically a research lab at my dispenser. The fact that I was even able to have this opportunity and let alone everyone be so supportive and understanding and willing to help me. It's we're still talking 6 years after I joined IRI. I think they found it really fascinating that I had participated in research already in high school, and I already had a connection to Duke before coming here. But I think just the idea of being in a lab and my understanding of what research overall meant, with journal club and things like that, really helped me prepare for when I was sitting down with my PI and being able to explain and articulate what my research was about or what I wanted to focus on or what my interests were. I mean, IRI has prepared me in so many ways, but yeah, specifically just I literally coming into IRI, I had no experience in a lab whatsoever. So I had no idea what the structure of a lab looked like. I had no idea what journal clubs were. I didn't even know how to read a research article. I didn't know how to perform any research. So just having so many mentors and resources available for me to be able to do that and pursue what I was interested in has definitely helped me. The IRI has really launched my interest in science and research and just my overall interest in medicine and being able to use my skills and interest to express it however it may be, whether it's different kinds of research projects or whatever. I can see why it would be intimidating because I mean it's a big responsibility. You're kind of launching your own research project based on your in prior interests. At the end of the day, everyone is there to help you, and it's everyone's collaborative about it, and it's only supportive and helping you continue your research project to be the best it could be. So I feel it was a significant amount of work, but I think just knowing that everyone was backing me, being by my side, and was only wanted to see the best and see it through till the end, I think made it way less intimidating, and being able to really establish those meaningful connections. We're still talking 6 years after I joined IRI, knowing that everyone was there, just knowing that collaborative environment, but also made it way less scary and more fun and innovative and exciting, and made me super passionate about research and wanting to continue to help research as I went into undergrad, and something I want to keep doing for probably the rest of my life. Really listening to the advice and understanding what they're asking, and just knowing that all these people are there for you. They're taking time because they believe that you have potential to do something, and just keeping that in mind. And no one's mean about it or scary or saying anything about it. Everyone understands where you're coming from. You are a high school student or someone with zero prior research experience. Everyone has been there, has started somewhere and there. So they completely understand where you're coming from, and they know they've been in that literal position before. So they're only going to be supportive and understanding and help you where they thought they needed help or what they realized was best for them at that point in time.